Hey, welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever, and today I'm gonna be talking about women I love from books, obviously. So, I mostly read romance books, and these FMCs are from romance books. Few of my favorites, and today we have five books, so let's begin. Also, I'm not ranking them because we don't do that to women on this channel. So let's begin. So the first book I can see on the deck is Terms and Conditions by Lauren Asher. The FMC is Iris, and I love Iris. Okay, like Declan from this book is nice. I love him too, but he's not Iris, and we love Iris. Also, she punched his dad, I guess, in the book, and we love Iris. Also, she's a woman of color, which is a plus point for me. I love any women from books, and yeah, Iris. If you love like baddies and strong female characters in romance books, Iris is the one for you. Then we have Jules from Twisted Hate. I love her in the first half of the book because that's where she was like, OG and in her element when she and Josh were like rivals. I love that. Otherwise, she was just like any other FMC from Anna Wong's books, unfortunately. I hate saying that because I feel bad for what they did to Jules, but yeah, she was still a baddie. The next book we have is oh, The Spanish Love Deception. So in here, the FMC is Catalina. Also, as you can see, this is annotated. The book is annotated. This was my phase of annotations. Also, this was my first ever romance book after It Ends With Us. So, as I was saying, she isn't like a, you know, baddie or, like Jules or Iris, but she's really, really sweet and I love fake dating, okay, and I love her in this book, especially when she was bantering with Aaron, whatever. But yeah, this was my first ever romance book. That's why I love her, and I love him too. But I love her more. I loved her character. I love the slow burn. So yeah, she is on the list. She has to be. Really, I was like 15, 16 when I read this. So yeah, but yeah, I love this. I love Catalina. She did not bend to, she did not like become submissive in first three chapters. So W. Next is The American Roommate Experiment. This is from the same author and this is like a second part of the book, but not really. This is about Catalina's friend Rosie, and I loved Rosie. Okay, I loved Rosie because when I read this book, I was also in my writer era. I did write once upon a time, if you didn't know. So yeah, and yeah, as you can see, annotation phase, it was still there, and I loved this. Sticky notes back then. I like I asked at so many stores for these specific sticky notes. But yeah. So Rosie is a writer and this is like forced proximity, I'd say. Yeah. But more than that, I loved Lucas. He was not a CEO, which is also why I liked him. And Rosie was such a ballsy girl in this book. He calls her ballsy, okay? We love women like that. Also, Rosie, when I read this book, I wanted to be Rosie. Like, I was like, when I grow up, I'll be Rosie. But yeah, my writer phase is over, and here I'm making videos. But it's okay. At least I'm being real. But yeah, that's why Rosie deserves to be on this list. And the last book is The Final Offer by Lauren Asher. This is the third book in Dreamland Billionaire series, the book after Terms and Conditions, and the FMC is Alana, and I love her. Okay, so she also takes care of a baby girl, Cami, and I love her because she does it's second chance to start with, which also is Yeah. Alana was such a baddie in this book because also she used to bake, right? When I read this book, I also wanted to bake. I was baking in my head. So, yeah. And it was such a cool thing to read that she made him work for it. Also, Cal was into substances and alcohol back then. So, yeah. And he got out of it. That's why I like him as well. But that's for another video. We can't, like, he was cool too, but he was not Alana. And yeah, she is a baddie, okay? Every woman is a baddie, but Alana is also a baddie. Also, if you're asking about this bookmark, no, I did not remove it because I wanted to show it in my video because I'm talented like that. See, it's a whale, and I painted this myself. I used to be so cool back then. I still paint, but this shit is so cool. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for the video, and I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.